Grading is not as simple as a click of a button. It has taken me a while to learn how to grade on this software. There's plenty more that one can do, and you got to know how. In order to grade, you got to know how to use the software, the tools, and its functions. This is the back of a sari blouse. It's a size 36. If you would like to know how to draft this pattern, follow my channel. I will post one at a later stage. Sari blouse back with a seam allowance and label. In this clip, I did not deepen the neckline or use the darts. I used the same sari blouse pattern just to show you that you can grade in Valentina. I will now extract my different sizes out using the workpiece tool. This is the icon under details with the plus on it. You click on that and you click onto the pieces that you would like. Once you selected all the correct pieces, it will turn red and you press OK. You press enter, sorry. Moving on to the next piece. Make sure when you got your curves, you click onto the curve and it must be facing in the clockwise direction. You press there and you press enter again and you get your pieces that you selected. You press apply and you press OK. And then I'm going to the third one. And then you click here. And once it all turns red, you can see that you selected the right pieces. You press OK as just the same, and you press apply and you press OK, and then you go into the detail section and you find all your pieces that stays. This is my 3 sizes. There's the 3 sizes that is graded, and you can also separate them. Fortunately, their software also have provisions to enter your measurements, which would make it much easier for drafting your pattern. You also have an option of creating variables, that is all your measurements, for example, your bust divided by 4 and your waist divided by 4, etc. And you can save them, your measurements and your variables, for future use. It simplifies your work. Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Romola. Through experimenting, I learned to figure out how to go about it. There's plenty more to learn, and I will try to figure out how I can do it much more in a simpler way. If you want to learn about pattern making in Valentina, follow my channel. I have some videos there, and there are also plenty other videos in YouTube which you can follow. My knowledge on how to grade in Valentina is self-taught. So if I achieve a high volume of audience, I will decide to post a video on how to grade based on that. Before attempting to learn how to grade a pattern, be sure that you learn the software thoroughly and all its tools and functions. Also the mathematical side of the drafting. I find Valentina a great free open source software to use to create your patterns. I will also be posting more videos on pattern making in Valentina as time goes along, so if you're interested, you can follow my channel. And thank you for watching. Please take note that this was just a demonstration to show you that grading can be done in Valentina to various different sizes. Actually, this grading was done from an individual size.